Hi. In the last video, I talked about how we can create a website using Cloud AI, how we can edit that, and yeah, we was still how can we open FTP accounts so then we can upload our files from our server, so from our computer to the server online, and then this website will show. In this case, I will use another domain because I didn't bought a special domain only for this video. I already have this website 100 AI games, so I will tell you how you can do the same. So yeah, you can buy a domain, you can buy a host, and then get together. All for all of these, Namecheap or any kind of hosting company can help you. And then when you go to FTP accounts, you will have this configure FTP accounts. Yeah, of course, you have to create here at FTP account, and then you have here FTP account that you can create. And then I will go here. This is the Filezilla, the file that can help you to transfer the files. So I will go to the new site, and then we have here FTP username. This is the FTP username. Uh, FTP server is this. So this is the server. It means for the host. And then the port is 21. You can put the port here. And then I will put my password. Always trust this certificate. And yeah, we are inside the server. So now I will create a directory. Normally, you will have another view, so we will see a lot of directories there. So one of them will be public HTML. So that's the folder that you have to create that. For this video, I just make this folder where we can upload. The most important part is like the procedure. So you find public underline HTML folder in your server. You will see here, and then you can upload there. So I will find my website here, and then I will upload that. That's all the files that we have. What we created last uh, in the last video. The all files are uploaded. So now we can check. Yeah, it tells you here when the transfer is finished. Oh, I think we have an error, so maybe we can create another domain. Let me create another one. Domain. Oh, once again, I make a typo. Okay. Ah, yeah, here we have it. Sorry, I make a mistake last episode. So I put it in the public HTML. So I have this one. So I will go again with the same data. So site manager, I will use this username. The FTP port is the same, so it's 21. And then so yeah, every time in this you are now in a main folder of the website. So this is like public HTML. This is what it shows in your domain. So you have to upload from your site from the left side. So in the left side you can find here where are the files are. So I already found they are in a desktop, and then here I have my website, and then what you have to do is just index HTML or any kind of files, photos or logos or whatever you have created, you can upload in your directory here. I will create another one. So I will create now here another directory. So I will just make another just for demo version. And here in the demo, I will upload the files. And then, yeah, we have to wait a bit. So now in the demo, we can see the website that we already created. Now, if you buy a domain and if you buy a hosting in a Namecheap in this case, and then you connect them all together, and then when you add an add FTP account, I will repeat that only for just to remember you better that. So you put here your name, surname, or whatever you want, and then you choose the domain which one you want to use. You type a password, you type a password again, and here in this directory you write public, and you see this the second one, public HTML, underline HTML, and then create FTP account, and that account you use via Filezilla. And this is like the way you can create your website and then upload to your server. And now if you can see, the website also is responsive and it's ready to go. So with under 100, we paid only around 40 euro for the hosting and domain. That's all the cost that you need. If you want cloud AI to use, or any another tool like ChatGPT or I don't know Grok, maybe it costs 20 euro more. And yeah, the last step is creating an email email account. I know that many of the businesses, they want to create their email so the clients can easily contact them with the email, and it looks of course more professionally. Also with the Namecheap and also the other hosting companies, they offer that. So you can find them at email accounts. So I will create one new email address for the website 100 AI Games. Of course, you can create for your own website when you buy it and then connect it with the hosting. And I will call it demo user, and then I will put a password here, and then with the create button here, you will create an account here. And then if you want to check the email, you can go here. It goes to the webmail, and you can use this round cube as a mailbox, and then click here with open. Congrats, you have your own user, and then you have your email account connected with your hosting, and then the clients can contact you with that user through your website or wherever you leave your email address. And here is very good because also you have, of course, you have to have a bit knowledge how you can configure emails, but also what is very good, you can also use the same data to configure also your email account in the your phone, so you can easily then manage your inbox, send emails, receive emails. And yeah, there are also some ways that you can also connect with Gmail, but I will not talk about that. It's a bit more advanced for this course. Thanks a lot. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you will create your own website, and it's gonna be a very beautiful, and also will help you to gain more clients, to have the clients more uh, to believe you more. Of course, when you have your own website, you have your own email, it's much better, especially if you are a freelancer. It's much easier to gain more clients. So I hope you like it. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share with others. Bye.